How do food businesses identify product recall root causes? Imagine finding out a product has been contaminated or mislabeled. Now, how do companies figure out exactly what went wrong? That's where identifying root causes comes into play. When a food safety issue pops up, businesses don't just fix the surface problem. They dig deeper to find the real reason behind it. This process is called root cause analysis. It helps prevent the same issue from happening again and keeps consumers safe. The first step is gathering all the facts. Companies collect data like production records, ingredient sourcing details, employee actions, equipment status, and environmental conditions during the incident. For example, if a batch of food is contaminated, they look at where ingredients came from, who handled the product, and what machinery was used. This thorough collection of information forms the foundation for the investigation. Next, they ask a simple but powerful question: why? They repeat this question multiple times, often called the 5 whys technique. For instance, if allergen contamination occurred, they ask why it happened. Maybe the operator was unfamiliar with the allergen procedures. Then they ask why the operator was unfamiliar. Perhaps because training was incomplete or not supervised properly. Each answer leads to another why, until they reach the core issue. They also use cause and effect tools like Ishikawa diagrams, also known as fishbone diagrams. These diagrams help visualize different categories like materials, methods, personnel, equipment, and environment. By mapping out these factors, companies can see where failures might have occurred. For example, poor sanitation might be linked to improper cleaning schedules, or equipment malfunction could be traced back to lack of maintenance. Once they identify potential causes, they differentiate between contributing factors and root causes. Contributing factors are specific failures, like improper storage or inadequate cleaning. Root causes are the underlying issues, such as insufficient training, poor maintenance routines, or lack of scientific understanding. Finding these helps companies target the real problem. After pinpointing the root causes, companies document everything. They record all findings, decisions, and corrective actions taken. This documentation supports accountability and helps with future audits or inspections. They also update their food safety plans based on what they learn. This might include retraining staff, changing procedures, or improving equipment maintenance. For example, if a bakery used the wrong nuts because an employee was unfamiliar with the labeling process, they would review training records, improve staff education, and implement better supervision. Or, if a processing plant experienced recontamination after pasteurization, they would check equipment maintenance logs and ensure proper cleaning protocols are followed. By following this structured approach, food businesses can uncover the true cause of a recall issue. This not only helps them meet safety compliance but also builds trust with consumers. When companies understand why problems happen, they can make smarter improvements, reduce risks, and keep their operations running smoothly. That's how they turn a recall crisis into an opportunity to strengthen their safety and quality systems.